Welcome to Just Tech and Reviews. My name is Ryan McLaughlin, and today I'm looking at the EFO wired handheld keyboard. Like other handheld keyboards, this one combines both a touchpad and a mini keyboard in a small size that is easily used with just your thumbs. This keyboard also features a full QWERTY layout. But because of its small size, most of the keys serve two functions. This keyboard also has a backlight, which makes it very useful and easy to use in the dark. Let's take a closer look at some of these features and how it might be useful for you in your home. As you can see, I can easily hold this in my hands, and with just my thumbs, I can reach all the buttons. And as I type on the keyboard, you can see that the letters quickly appear on the screen. The response with this keyboard is fantastic, and the keys give a very solid click as you press them. The touchpad also works really well to guide the mouse around the screen. And when you're in the dark, with the single press of a button, you can turn on the backlight, which illuminates the keys and makes it very easy to read. The special keys, which are indicated by red, are very easy to access by pressing the SF button. Once that's pressed, you then have access to the numbers. Pressing it again switches it back. Because it's a wired handheld keyboard, it must constantly be attached to the computer via a USB cable. Luckily, EFO included one just for that purpose. I'm very impressed with the EFO wired handheld keyboard. It functioned just as promised. If you're really on a shoestring budget, then it also helps that it only costs $22. However, if you have a little bit more money to spare, I recommend you get the wireless version. It's also very reasonably priced at just $40, and it functions exactly the same, except you get the additional benefit of being able to move freely about your room as you're using it. This is especially nice if it's hooked up to something like a home theater PC, where you want to be sitting on your couch while you're watching TV and control your computer remotely. If you need a handheld keyboard, I highly recommend you take a look at the EFO handheld keyboards. For more information on this product and the others that we have reviewed, don't forget to visit our website at www.justtechin.com. Thanks, and we'll see you again next time.